If you're searching for premium earbuds with industry-leading features, meet the Sony WF-1000XM4. Packed with cutting-edge technology, these truly wireless earbuds offer unmatched noise canceling, incredible sound quality, and smart features to enhance your daily life. Let's explore what makes these a top-tier choice. The integrated processor V1 sets a new benchmark for noise canceling. Whether you're in a crowded cafe or on a busy commute, the WF-1000XM4 blocks out distractions like never before. And with DSC Extreme, you'll experience high-resolution audio that restores detail to compressed tracks. Audio enthusiasts will love the LDAC codec, which delivers stunning sound quality with frequencies up to 40,000 Hz, paired with high-power neodymium magnets. These earbuds ensure crisp highs and deep, immersive bass. Need crystal-clear call quality? Sony delivers with a beam-forming microphone and bone conduction sensor that isolate your voice even in noisy environments. It's perfect for calls on the go or in the office. Here's something innovative: Speak to Chat. This feature automatically pauses your music and lowers the volume when you start talking, so you can seamlessly jump into conversations without removing your earbuds. Battery life is impressive, with up to 8 hours of continuous use with noise canceling on. The included case provides additional charges, and with Qi wireless charging, recharging is as simple as placing the case on a compatible pad. With an IPX4 water resistance rating, these earbuds are built to handle sweat and light rain, making them perfect for workouts and daily use. Multipoint connection lets you connect two devices at the same time, ideal for multitaskers. Whether you're watching a movie on your tablet or answering a call on your phone, switching is seamless. Customization is key, and the Sony Headphones Connect app gives you full control. Adjust sound settings, noise canceling levels, or activate Alexa for voice commands, all from your phone. The Sony WF-1000XM4 earbuds are the ultimate combination of sound quality, comfort, and smart features. Whether you're a music lover, a professional, or just want to enjoy peace and quiet, these earbuds have you covered. Ready to elevate your audio experience? Check out the product link in the description and pinned comment. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews. See you in the next video.